Hi, in front of me is SOYES S10 Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, go into Play Store and type repos for Instagram. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Go into your Instagram and pick a photo that you want to download, for example that one. Click at the three dots and select Share To. Then click on Repost App and go back to it. Pick one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Lastly, click the middle button. Then tap Allow. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!